Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we will see how to install Deepseek on any Android smartphone. To do that, just open the Play Store. From here, search Deepseek. Now from here, tap on Deepseek. Now from here, tap on Install. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now from here, once the app is fully installed, tap on Open, or you can find the app on your home screen. Just like that. Now from here, open Deepseek, tap on Agree. Now from here, tap on Sign in with Google, tap on Agree. Now from here, choose your Gmail. And this is how you can download Deepseek on any Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.